Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am continuing on with my organization and decluttering, and we're focusing on my kitchen, mainly the pantry is going to be what I'm going to be doing today. I need to tackle like my whole kitchen. I did start with that cabinet over there, but it's like everything is creating a domino effect. I had stuff in my kitchen that I wanted to take out because I don't have a big kitchen. My cabinets are not big. Like, I just don't have the space to be storing things that can go other places in my house, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to stick around and join my YouTube family. And if you're not new, thank you for continuing to support me. So I'm going to turn you guys around. First of all, let me show you guys. I've already started a little bit. I didn't film that part, but I'll show you guys what I have done so far. All right, y'all, this cabinet was a hot mess, and I'm sorry that I did not get a before, but this is, when I was washing dishes, I was putting up all the Tupperware and stuff that I had because I cleaned out my refrigerator, and this is the outcome of me pulling everything out and putting it back in. So that this part is organized. I finally was able to move all of my bowls and stuff over to this side. So now we have this cabinet that's organized, so I don't have to tackle that. And this is the other cabinet that has all of my everyday mugs. I do have some holiday mugs, like fall or whatever, up at the top, but this is this side. So like I said, I don't have a lot of cabinet space or countertop space. So I'm trying to make the most of what I have. Being said, that created space for me to use. When I did my 2 closets, if you missed those videos, I will link them in the description and also tag them in this video. But all my medicine and stuff went into the hall closet. I just got this is where I stored all of our medicine and a little extra knickknack stuff. But I'm gonna be using this as part of my pantry stuff. If you've been watching me for a while, I created the other side as a seasoning seasoning cabinet. So I still have that, y'all. I still have all my seasonings in there. Plus I have these that are out, and then those, like, if you don't have seasoning in your house, what you doing? Y'all, and this is the drama that we're going to be tackling today. It is a hot mess express in here, but I have a plan. I've been thinking about this, and we're going to get this all the way together. I'm not going to show you guys me taking everything out, but I will show you guys me putting it and setting it back up.
You could say anything, but it could mean everything, 'cause you said it to the right person and they needed the compliment. But isn't it sickening? You could say you're in love with them, but it won't mean anything at all. But that's not your fault. Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but it wasn't a fact. Known them your whole life, but it was all an act. There's no meaning, but like in the best of ways, you could go 100 days without really doing anything and still have the right to say, I'm so incredible, oh yeah, I'm lovable. 'Cause it's not in the performance, no, there's nothing that you owe them. So feel no need to explain, I'll say it all again. Now you don't have to show them anything. I know it's so frustrating, can't take yourself out the equation. Can't wait longer than your own patience. Can't wait longer than your own patience. Like you're here waiting until you're not. Can't remember what you forgot. You can't take yourself out the equation. has no meaning. But like in the best of ways, you could go 100 days without really doing anything.
Y'all, now this closet really could use the touch up as far as paint, but I ain't doing that in this video. And if you're wondering why my door is red on this side, if you're not new to my channel, then I have redone my kitchen twice since I've lived in this house. And I originally painted this door red, and as you can see now it's black. I just didn't do this side because this rack is on here and I just don't feel like taking the rack off and painting the door on this side. I will eventually, but it just has not been done. So I took everything out except for majority of the canned goods because I knew I was going to keep my canned goods where they were. I just wanted to organize them. So I did organize my canned goods. I know where everything is now. I have all my soups here and a few cans of evaporated milk that I have. All of this is either, this whole row is fruit, canned fruit. I have my, and look, y'all know I just did a grocery haul and bought tomato paste. I had 6 cans of tomato paste in my pantry. That's why I knew I needed to get in here and do my pantry, because I be buying stuff and not realizing I have it already in my pantry because I can't tell what I have. So now that I have it organized, I have all of my tomato paste and diced tomatoes here. The kids' canned goods are in this row. Then down here I have all my tuna and my canned salmon on this side. And then the rest of this is either vegetables or beans of some sort. And then I have a row of corn. And this should stay the way that it is. Because I'm the one that put the stuff in the pantry. So now I can see what I have before I go to the store and buy stuff. So now I'm about to go ahead and get the rest of this pantry together. The key is for the door is to have all of my containers that I had at the top. I want to put those on the door only so I could access them better. I had a hard time. I had to pull stuff out to get what I need. So I think it'll be better just to put it on the door. So we're about to start.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all, it all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but then one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to the feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right, 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 right. So right, 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 right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been ill for too long. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. But now you moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in sun is hitting my face, I'm unfazed, I need this. Calling out my name, say meet me, see these waves.
Alright, y'all, this is the final results of my pantry. I ended up, so I don't think I'm gonna use that black cereal dispenser thing anymore, only because my kids are not babies, they are adults and they can get as much cereal as they want to. So I decided not to put that back in the pantry. But as y'all can see, I got a lot more room in here now. I was just trying to fill this space, and then I ended up pulling all this that I had under the cabinet. I put it down here, so I mean it makes more sense to be with the food and not my appliances. So I put that there, and I still have a little room. This is actually just the sugar is in here, so I got room to put more stuff in here. Not saying that I'm gonna go get more food right now, but we're good on food. But I thank you guys for watching, and I will chat with y'all in the comments and on the next video. God bless.